Hello and welcome guys to another video with ADNFX. I'm Today's Sunday 17th of November 2024. It's about 8:32 p.m. So the markets will open by 11. They normally open at 10, but we're shifting in seasons. So I'm just here to talk about some setups that I'm looking out for this week. As you can see, EURUSD. Clean EURUSD sells on the monthly time frame presently. I can see that we broke these lows. We came up here. We have manipulated for a long time, a long time. Normally, at this point, look at this bearish candle, this bearish engulfing candle. We're supposed to just sell off after this point, like just massively sell off, but we didn't. I don't know what we were waiting for to sell off, but we didn't. And this massive candle broke down. We were just supposed to start selling off. But we came, broke it, came and retested it, came back down, broke that low. Instead of us just going back, broke it again. So now I've come and we've broken this low. We've broken the counter trend line here. So we're looking into sales. So when I confirm this on the monthly, we have a general bias, general direction. We'll come down to the 4 hours. And on the 4 hours now, I think I took this trade. I think so. Let me check my MT5 on my phone. Now, I didn't take this trade yet. I was preoccupied with the EURJPY trade. I think I'll put that up on the screen. So, this is on the 4 hours. These lows were broken. It came back into fib level, which aligns with this fair value gap. And from there, what happened? It melted all the way to the downside. So, I had the counter trend line here. As this broke that counter trend, I'm taking shots from here, stops above the high, and looking for a 1:3. So this is it essentially, 1:3. See that? That's how it play out. I'll keep you updated and see what happens tomorrow. Yeah, throughout this week. So let's go to another pair. Go to the monthly for AUDUSD. And AUDUSD is a bit of an interesting case. We look of break of structures, major breaks. This is one major break here. But now it broke, came to the downside, didn't respect the fib. Broke, came into the fib, wanted to give a little reaction, but ended up breaking and testing the fib. Came to the upside, and now bled all the way down. So at this present moment, I'm seeing sales because when EURUSD sells, every other thing sells. Let's go down to the weekly and see. Weekly is a small consolidation. Into the 4 hours or the daily first. In the daily, you see that we're breaking structure and going down. We broke this low. If we can clear these lows, this is 1, 2, all of these lows will all bleed all the way to the downside, right up to this point. So this point might be where we can maybe expect a reversal. But let's just wait and see what happens. And let's see the space in between these pips. From up here to down here. It's about 1,000 pips. So going down to the 4 hours. Now the 4 hours is actually nothing that major. This low was broken. You can also say that these lows were broken. So let's see. We draw a fib. What high broke this low? Was this. Come down, pop. So we'll wait for price to get into this region and draw a little city or counter trend line. And once price breaks that counter trend line, we'll enter for a sell. So let's go to GU on the monthly. Remove drawings. It's not as clean as EU, but it's still a sell. Still a sell. Let's say structure was broken here. Pap, we draw a fib. I think this should have passed the fib. It should have passed the fib. Passed the fib. Cleared that high. So just for us to wait and see. But on the lower time frames, I'm seeing sales, man. I'm just seeing sales. Go on the 4 hours. That time frame just sells. So this could have been set up. I could have been taking pop. Taking from the CTO. Swing low. Swing high. Yep. From the CTO now. This bearish engulfing candle. As it just closed. Taking from that point. Taking these highs. That's a 39 pip stop loss. So it's looking for 1:3. That's it. So it would have been more than 50% of the way already there. So move down now to NZUSD. Basically the same thing. It's forming a double bottom to come back and enter here for us to sell off. GBP JPY. GBP JPY is a bit interesting. It's looking very extremely bearish. Has broken lows that I've been waiting for it to break for a while. A low up here, a low here, and a low here, which now prompts us to calculate a sell-off, a very good sell-off. So we're waiting for it to come back into the range, into this range, and we'll sell off from there. EURJPY, we're looking for a buy. It hasn't loaded yet. Looking for a buy. We will draw our fib from swing low to swing high. We're exactly in the region. So throughout the day, we're waiting for a bullish engulfing candle to take us all the way to the top. EJ is a clean sell. Well, the sell hasn't set up yet. I took this position this week. I'll put it up on the screen for you to see the video of it on the screen for you to see. Then gold. Gold is interesting. Gold has to enter this, or having a massive sell on gold. Gold has to enter this golden zone and have a very good bearish candle close across the TL. Okay, like for example, here we broke structure to the downside. Very good bearish candles. So we broke the structure. Let's go to the 1 hour. See when my drawings are coming. Africa. This is CTL. We draw the CTL. Pap. If this bearish candle wasn't enough, because you have to be cautious with gold, wasn't enough, you'd have waited for this next candle to close. Once it closed, we'd have taken a short. Here, pap. We could do one of two things. We could put it at this high, but it's too far. Or we can put it at this high. This high that was just created. And now we're looking for a 1:3. I look for 1:3 to avoid situations where the market reverses on you all of a sudden. Because normally we're supposed to take it from here to about 0.27. 0.2, that would be 1:6. So if I was risking like 2,000 euros per trade, I would have made 12,000 euros. Yeah, that's it essentially. So that's everything on my watch list. So I'm looking out for this week. Presently, gold is coming into that fib area that I was talking about. Once it gets there, we'll see what we can do. Thank you.